Lesson 4. Braking Systems. Some trailers are equipped with brakes and some are not. All brake trailers will have an extra chain or cable to attach before the hookup is complete. This third cable or chain will actuate the trailer's brakes automatically in the unlikely event that the trailer separates from the tow vehicle. This trailer does not have brakes. Braking is solely provided by the tow vehicle. This trailer is equipped with hydraulic brakes. These brakes automatically apply and slow the trailer down whenever the towing vehicle decelerates. That means whenever the driver presses the brake pedal, the coupler of the trailer moves and automatically applies proportionate braking for the trailer. This trailer is equipped with electronic brakes. Electronic trailer brakes require an electric trailer brake controller in the tow vehicle. The electronic trailer brakes controller must be adjusted according to the load of the trailer. Please refer to the electronic trailer brakes controller instructions for proper setup of the trailer brakes. Once properly adjusted, the electronic trailer brakes controller will apply appropriate and proportional braking to the trailer's electronic brakes based on the braking of the tow vehicle.